Novice is up next. Novice, you're up next. Novice is up next.
Current positions. First, Mitchell Pratt, 1 laps, 1 minutes 14.326 seconds. Second, Chris Sturdy, 1 laps, 1 minutes 15.255 seconds. Third, Andrew Fowler, 1 laps, 1 minutes 18.328 seconds. First, second, drivers, time remaining, 8 minutes. Third.
Alright, we will have a track water after this. So the water crew, if you can be out there ready to go, that'd be great.
First, Mitchell Pratt, 2 laps, 1 minute 56.730 seconds. Second, Chris Sturdy, 2 laps, 1 minute 56.975 seconds. Third, Andrew Fowler, 2 laps, 2 minutes 2.754 seconds. First, second, leading gaps, first to second, 0.777 seconds, second to third, 5.779 seconds. Third, drivers, time remaining, 7 minutes. First, second. Current positions. First, Mitchell Pratt, 4 laps, 3 minutes 23.257 seconds. Second, Chris Sturdy, 4 laps, 3 minutes 23.558 seconds. Third, Andrew Fowler, 3 laps, 2 minutes 46.308 seconds. Third, drivers, time remaining.
Yeah, Mitchell holding out, Chris. Can you keep it up?
First, second,
6 minutes to go.
third, current positions. First, Mitchell Pratt, 5 laps, 4 minutes 4.516 seconds. Second, Chris Sturdy, 5 laps, 4 minutes 5.300 seconds. Third, Andrew Fowler, 5 laps, 4 minutes 14.443 seconds. Leading gaps, first to second, 0.784 seconds, second to third, 9.143 seconds. First, second, third. Drivers, time remaining, 5 minutes. First, second, current positions. First, Mitchell Pratt, 7 laps, 5 minutes 28.152 seconds. Second, Chris Sturdy, 7 laps, 5 minutes 28.595 seconds. Third, Andrew Fowler, 6 laps, 4 minutes 57.639 seconds.
Alright, just coming back towards the driver's stand, coming out the corner, you've got the leaders on you.
Remaining 4 minutes.
Coming over the start-finish line, you've got the leaders on you. Thank you very much.
First, second, positions. First, Mitchell Pratt, 8 laps, 6 minutes 10.617 seconds. Second, Chris Sturdy, 8 laps, 6 minutes 10.885 seconds. Third, Stephen Mihaljevic, 8 laps, 6 minutes 28.750 seconds. Leading gaps, first to second, 0.268 seconds, second to third, 17.865 seconds. First, second. Drivers, time remaining, 3 minutes. Third.
Oh, Mitchie.
Current positions. First, Mitchell Pratt, 9 laps, 6 minutes 51.679 seconds. Second,
Alright, leader's just coming over the whoops.
9 laps, 6 minutes 52.387 seconds.
Over the big double.
Third, Andrew Fowler, 9 laps, 7 minutes 14.376 seconds. First, second, third. Drivers, time remaining, 2 minutes. First, second. Current positions. First, Chris Sturdy, 11 laps, 8 minutes 15.755 seconds. Second, Mitchell Pratt, 11 laps, 8 minutes 18.928 seconds. Third, Andrew Fowler, 10 laps, 7 minutes 56.683 seconds. Leading gaps, first to second, 3.173 seconds, second to third, 20.697 seconds. First,
Arsenal in front.
drivers, time remaining, 1 minute. Drivers, get ready for the next race novice final, race number 6. Second,
Bo, you've got second place coming up when you're there, mate. Thanks, bud.
first, second,
Alright, Chris has got a nice little lead.
race time over.
Alright, Chris has just got to finish the lap and he's got this with Mitchell in second and Mark Andrews in third.
Mark Andrews, finished. Andrew Fowler,
Just got to finish the lap.
finished. Dan Wilson, finished.
Alright, nice count, Chris.
Chris Sturdy,
Alright, Mitchell's come around the bottom here in second.
Steve Patterson, finished. James,
Nice work. Mark Andrews got third, Andrew fell in fourth, Dan Wilson fifth. Nice work, mate, for the
Jackson,
bumper.
finished.
Steve Patterson sixth, James in seven, Jackson eight, Darren Pryor in 9 and Steve in 10. Nice going, guys. We'll just have a quick order of the track and we'll get back into novice.